Hi everyone. So today we have Ashutosh with us, who had secured All India rank 150 in GATE Electrical this year. So let's talk to him and get to know about his journey. So yeah, hi Ashutosh. Please
Hello.
briefly introduce yourself.
Yeah, I have done my B.tech in electrical engineering from NIT Rourkela, and after I used to work in Unique Identification Authority of India. I left my job in around April 2023 and prepared for means GATE full time dedicated preparation for GATE.
Okay, so from April onwards you started preparing, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So you must have started from right zero. You must have some basic idea, but dedicatedly for GATE you must have started from zero only, right?
yeah.
So can you briefly tell us about your preparation strategy? Like how did you use to revise the subject? When did you start writing that test series? All these things.
Yeah, first I prepared all the subjects with from starting from April to November end. I did all my preparation of my subjects, made short notes of all those important formulas and all those, and then I started my giving test series from December onwards. So first I did means I used to give one
Okay.
test series, take 2 or 3 days to analyze what all mistakes I have done, and I used to have a separate notebook in which I used to record all the mistakes that I have done, and I used to revise them on a regular in 2 to 3 days intervals. I used to revise them so that I could remember what all mistakes I have done and
Okay.
means where I went wrong. And along with that, if I had
Okay.
some days free, I used to prepare some previous year questions I used to solve. Like I used to take 1 year's entire question paper set and you
Okay.
take 2 or 3 hours and solved it entirely. And then I used to analyze it also.
Okay. 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 That is really good. So, did you refer any textbook, standard textbook?
I used to refer PS Bimra for power electronics because power electronics is one of the most complicated
Okay.
subjects and many resources are not available on internet also. So I used to refer PS Bimra. Rest all resources
Hmm.
from internet it were
Right.
reasonably good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, you only referred PS Bimra for power electronics.
Yeah,
Okay. That is fine. So, yeah. So, like, how many marks did you use to get in the test series? Any particular range?
I used to get around 62 to 65. I used to usually get in test series.
Okay. 62 to 65. And what was your score in the final examination?
57.33.
Okay, the final examination came out to be tougher, on the tougher side. Yeah,
No, actually, what happens is that in exam some pressure moment is also there, so we have to take into account that also.
yeah, yeah. That's the thing. So, like, there must be many pressure situation in the examination. So, how did you overcome that? Were you able to overcome, or you were not able to overcome?
Yeah, let's say first I started with aptitude. I took 15 minutes and solved the aptitude questions. Then
Okay,
came the first technical question. That one more
okay,
question was there. I found it to be difficult. So second, I skipped to second question
okay,
that I could solve. After solving 5 questions of 1 mark,
hmm.
then I went to 2 marks. That question number 40, I think. From there, I till the end I solved all the questions, and again I went back to solve the 1 mark questions
Okay,
because my strategy was that first I should finish the 2 mark
okay,
questions because if I keep it in the end, it is a bit on the
okay,
lengthier side, so it might take time.
okay.
So if I means first complete all
Right.
the 1 mark questions
So,
and then go for 2 mark questions, what happens is that while solving 2 mark questions, I will be having very less time and I will be losing out on a lot of means mark
yeah,
scoring opportunity.
right. Yeah, right, right, right. So, weren't the question jumbled like in the examination question paper? Was that the scene that initially one mark question was there, then 2 mark question was there,
Yeah,
or it was
IAC
jumbled
had,
1 mark, 2 mark, and then 1 mark question? Then
no, IAC this year has had made it pretty clear in the instruction that first 25 questions of technical will be of 1 mark and the remaining 30 questions will be
okay,
of 2 marks
okay, okay,
for all the papers. I think for
okay, okay.
instrumentation
This
and
year the scene was
electrical,
different.
both the instructions for them, both
Okay,
the
okay,
instruction was same.
okay, okay. That is pretty good. But from the past 2 years, what was happening is that like the questions were jumbled.
Yeah, yeah,
Sometimes you will see 1 mark and then 2 mark. But this year it was the case, so that is pretty good.
yeah.
Yeah. So, any final tip you would want to give to our viewers, like something different that you did in your preparation?
Yeah, I would suggest that ki first take two means while solving means preparation stage. First, you read the notes or whatever resources you have thoroughly. Make short notes of that so that you can refer it for future while giving exams. And also, while parallelly while preparing, you should solve the means chapter wise PYQs. First, you should go for I will suggest to go for ESC previous year questions because they are easier level. Then you can gain confidence, and then you can go
Okay.
for solving the GATE PYQs. And after that, you should give around 1 or 2 months
Okay.
dedicatedly for test series preparation. And while solving test series also, you should give 2 or 3 days gap so that you can analyze the questions properly and make proper notes of that.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. So, uh, on a brief level, can you tell us the question resources? Like, what should be the priority order?
But,
Which PYQ should be solved, and then what should be? Yeah.
PYQs, let's say first I will suggest that ki go for ESC PYQs because of being they being of
Okay.
easier level so that they can make your concepts clear. And since the questions are lower level, so
Yeah.
students
Right.
can gain confidence in that. Then they can go for gate level PYQs because gate level PYQs may some questions may be tough. So you somebody might lose confidence in that key. I am not able to solve questions and may get demoralized also.
Yeah. Yeah. And after that, test series. Test
Yeah.
series also is a good resources of questions, right?
Yeah. Test series you can give after means
Okay.
November,
Okay.
December
Okay.
when
Okay.
all
After
your
November,
subjects are
I
clear.
understand. Yeah. So you started topic wise and subject wise test series from November, December onwards only,
No, I
or
used to give
in
full
between
length
you were
test
writing the
series.
test series.
I used to give full length test series after November, December onwards. I used to give full length test series till November. Means once I completed one chapter, I used to
Yeah.
solve all these chapter wise tests of that, so that all my concepts of that
Yeah.
chapter are
Chapter
clear.
wise test. Yeah. That is a good thing.
Chapter wise test series should be
Yeah.
appeared
Yeah. That is a
parallelly
good
while
thing. Like
subject
while you.
preparation also.
Yeah. Yeah. So while you are studying the subject, you can attempt the chapter wise test series. Once you are done with the complete syllabus, then only you should try the full and test series.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's pretty good. Yeah. So yeah. Thank you, Ashutosh, for coming on this channel. And
yeah.
yeah.
Thank you.